In front of me is Redmi 14R and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google over here. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now to add a password, select Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!